So this is a piston of 25mm diamond anvil cell. Yeah, already fixed the gasket, already glued it. And this is a cap with 8 screws, which can be used to apply the pressure. So 4 screws are right, 4 screws are left, and by rotating the screws you can apply pressure and reach, I don't know, 200 GPa, something like that. So this is main body of the cell, cylinder, and special openings for wires, for electrical wires to connect it with measuring device. And you see already glued seat with diamond there inside. Yes. So the cell is ready to work, to be used. Yeah, and additional openings to fix maybe cell in cry state.